Most people don't realize this until it's too late. Time is the most valuable currency we have. You can lose money and earn it back. You can lose friends and make new ones. But every second you lose is gone forever. Today, I want to share with you the truth about time and why you must stop wasting your life. When you're young, it feels like you have forever. You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, I'll chase my dream next year, I'll take life seriously when I'm older. But years fly by. Suddenly, what felt like forever is almost gone. Time doesn't ask for permission. It doesn't wait for you to be ready. Time doesn't ask for permission. It doesn't wait for you to be ready. Think about how many hours people spend on meaningless distractions, scrolling endlessly, watching show after show, living for weekends, complaining about Mondays. Ask yourself, what did I trade my time for today? Did it move me closer to my goals? Or did it just disappear? Here's the truth most people don't want to face. Every moment you waste is a piece of your life you will never get back. Imagine the richest man in the world dying on his deathbed. How much do you think he would pay for one more day? All his fortune. But even then, it wouldn't buy him a single second. That's how valuable time is. The people who achieve greatness are not smarter than you. They don't have more hours in a day. They simply focus. Instead of wasting time, they invest it. Instead of letting life happen to them, they design it. And when the years pass, they don't regret, because they know they lived with intention. So how do you stop wasting your life? Start small. Cut 1 hour of mindless scrolling and invest it in learning. Replace one TV episode with a workout or reading. Plan your day the night before and follow through. It's not about doing everything at once. It's about choosing one step each day that makes your life better tomorrow. Your life is a collection of moments, and every moment is a choice. You can waste it or you can invest it. The question is not whether you have enough time. The question is, are you using it wisely? Stop wasting your life. Live with intention. Because one day, the clock will run out, and you will wish you had started sooner.